Happy Sunday, weirdos. What's going on, guys? All right. We got a busy day today. We got a busy day of having to look at the markets. We're going to answer some questions today, guys. Where is the market going? Have we seen the top of this cycle already, like some people say that we have? And so much more. Now, we're going to touch a little bit on where Bitcoin's next move is here. Is it 88K? We're going to have a look at it. But then later today, in about 45 minutes from the time I'm recording this video, we're going to be live on YouTube. We're going to look at some charts. We're going to look at some metrics to see, have we topped in this cycle or not. I'm going to give you a little hint. In my opinion, most definitely not. All right, let's get into it. Jasmy down 3.3% on the day, but up 2.8 on the week, down 40.5 on the month, and 27.7 on the year. We're down 4 spots and ranked to 88, $675 million market cap, 68 million in volume. Swiftcoin down 2.1% on the day, 14 on the week, 45 on the month, but up 78.3 on the year. Down 2 spots and ranked to 295, $111 million market cap, 2 million in volume. The volume is just terrible, guys, across the board. And it's a good thing and a bad thing because, listen, there's no volume, which means we're not going to be pumping. But it also means we're not going to be dumping. So just more sideways action, most likely, until we get the weekly close later today. That will be an animal of its own. What's going to happen? Are we going to see a battle between the bulls and the bears heat up closer to the weekly close later today? Or is it going to be boring action as usual? Either way, I'll be dollar cost averaging. XCN down 3.5% on the day, up 2.2 on the week, 43 down on the month, but up 296 on the year. We're down 4 spots in rank to 122, a $423 million market cap, 30 million in volume. And ZBEC down 1.5% on the day, down 26.5 on the week, and 24.5 on the month. We're down 2 spots in rank to $472 million market cap, 26 million in volume. Let's go look at some charts. You guys love looking at charts. Let's see what's going on in the wide world. Bitcoin, $83,877. We wicked all the way down here to 82,400 and then right back up again. It'll be interesting to see if Bitcoin closes another daily candle above the 200-day SMA at $83,997. Can we get back above there and close above there? And to invalidate, guys, the potential move down here, as I've stated many, many times, we have to get up here above $91,000 and start closing multiple daily candles above that level, in my opinion. So that's kind of what we're watching right now, right, on Bitcoin. Jasmy just kind of doing the same thing, a little bit of a bearish encompassing candle here, just ping-ponging. But hey, listen, the positive news is that we are putting in higher lows and higher highs on a daily basis, right? So that's bullish. And we are inside of our falling wedge structure, so that's bullish as well. Going over to ZBEC, XCN and Swiftcoin, guys. The charts are so similar. Just going sideways now, right? We've tried to break out. We've come outside of our falling channel. However, we seem to have bottomed out to a degree that we don't have the volume to make that move, though, right? And as you can see, just like on Jasmy, what are we doing? We're putting in higher highs and higher lows anyway, not really higher highs, but we're putting in higher lows, which is good, right? We'll see what happens. And Swift is doing pretty much the same thing, guys, as Onyx Coin. It's just a couple of days delayed. It's outside. It's retesting the top trend line here of this descending channel, which is bullish. But there's no volume to send it up. You saw it. There's $2 million in volume right now in Swift. That's not going to send it, right? That's not going to send it. So I don't know what to tell you. It's just continuing to put in these higher lows. These lows are just a little bit higher than these ones. So we are putting in higher lows. Will we continue to put in more higher lows on this daily close? It'll be interesting to see. And ZBEC, everything's looking like so eerily similar. ZBEC, look at the chart on ZBEC. Same exact thing, guys. Same exact thing. Look at this. We're still inside of our structure. We're still inside of this descending channel, which is fantastic. What the hell just happened there? Anyway, there we go. We're still inside of our structure. Fantastic, right? This descending channel, but again, it's just puttering out down here because there's no volume, right? No volume, no move. That's the way she's going to go. All right, so we're going to get into an article here about Bitcoin. Is 88K the next move for Bitcoin? And I'm going to follow up on this, like I said, later in the live stream in about 40 minutes. And we're going to cover why I believe we have not topped. We're going to go over various metrics, various charts. And you're going to see exactly what I mean. I think you're going to agree with me that things are looking pretty juicy by the end of it. Bitcoin's golden cross pattern appears, and Bitcoin aims for $88,000 as next recovery target. The price of Bitcoin seems to be working towards its a rally, standing at $84,000, is showing signs of possibly heading into a recovery. According to reputed analysts, a Bitcoin golden cross pattern has appeared on Bitcoin. Seems to be aiming for $88,000. But which time frame are we talking about here? Okay, so that's the weekly time frame that Michael Saylor's tweeting about. He says the golden cross here, every time this beast awakens, the market bends to its will. In 2016, it happened. Bitcoin went up 139%. In 2017, it happened. Bitcoin went up 2,200%. He called it face melting alley. And in 2020, it happened. Escape velocity. It went up 1,190%. Those are the last times that this happened, guys. Last time people laughed, then they cried, then they FOMO'd, which is how she goes, right? So we've just had it happen again, guys. Are we going to see this next leg up, or are we going to see 69K? Very interesting. Very interesting. As we can see from the post above, one crypto and Bitcoin enthusiast has marked a Bitcoin golden cross pattern appearing on the Bitcoin chart. This Bitcoin golden cross formation is highlighted on the price chart shared in the post above. Here, the analyst draws light to the past few instances where Bitcoin's golden cross pattern affected the crypto market. To elaborate, in 2016, the pattern led to a pump of 139%, a pump of over 2,200% in 2017, and a pump of over 1,190% in 2020. You guys, listen, even 139%, the smallest possibility, the smallest pump that could happen here, okay? That would put Bitcoin, where would that put Bitcoin right now? What is Bitcoin right now? 84,400? 83,800. Sorry, hang on. 83,800, right? 139%. That would give us a $200,000 Bitcoin. The smallest of these three moves would give us a $200,000 Bitcoin, right? Titan of Crypto says Bitcoin aiming for 88K next. Bitcoin is not only breaking above Tenkan, but bullish divergence is also forming on the MACD. Very nice, very nice, very good. You like it, yes. Following the Bitcoin golden cross pattern observation, one analyst predicts that the price of Bitcoin is preparing to hit its $88,000 price target next. As we see from the post above, the MACD is not only breaking above Tenkan, but a bullish divergence is also forming on the MACD. If confirmed, Kijin is the next stop. I don't know what that means, but anyway, bringing Bitcoin's price to $88,000. But as I've said, guys, for me, nothing changes in terms of this downward momentum that we have on Bitcoin until Bitcoin starts closing above $91,000, right, on a daily time frame. So 88 is fine, but it's still a lower high, right? So something to keep in mind. But as always, guys, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet. Get yourselves one today, guys. Hold your own crypto, not your keys, not your coins. Do not trust these exchanges with your money. Also, guys, once again, Patreon has been lighting up like a Christmas tree. It's been crazy how many people have been jumping over there. We've been dropping gem videos every single day, stuff that's pumped, guys. We made a 3,000% return on XCN and so much more, guys. You don't want to miss out on these gems. Daily gem drops. I dropped another one yesterday. I'm extremely excited about. Easy 50x, easy 50x. You're going to want to check these things out, guys, for yourselves. It's the price of a Happy Meal, for crying out loud. You get in on just one of our swing trades or one of our gems, and you've made 1,000,000 times more than you paid to be in the group in the first place for the price of a Happy Meal, right? All these other channels are charging you over $100. I kid you not, all the way up to $1,000. We just want you to buy us a Happy Meal. So hook a brother up, man. Check it out for yourself. The wealth of knowledge at your fingertips, guys. We are one of the largest educational crypto communities out there, bar none. Check it out for yourself. We're live on the Patreon every single evening. And on top of all of that, you can even book your one-on-one coaching calls with me personally, where I will help you go over your exit strategies, your profit-taking plans, where you should be exiting your positions, how to diversify your portfolio to maximize your ROI, and so much more, guys. So book your one-on-ones, but they fill up very, very fast. So get over there, get involved, join the community. You're not going to regret it. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.